Hello, I'm David Hughes, Technical Field Services Manager in Missouri for Pivot Bio. I'm here with John Hughes, my son. He's the project coordinator for Centera and UAS pilot. We're getting ready to take flight with the drone. He's put down RTK arrow points to basically collect data on the boundary of this proven research that we are doing, and getting ready to do flights and calibrate the drone with actual hand stand counts performed yesterday.
All set?
Yep. John says to be this flight, we're going to be going up about 50 feet, and then there's going to be some overlap, but flying pretty low actually to get the stand counts accurate. I don't know if you guys can see this screen. I think you can, but this is the software and the controller for the drone, and you can see it's starting to capture photos along our Pivot Bio plot area here, flying at about 50 feet. And again, the objective here is to calibrate the ability of the software to accurately make stand counts on a field. This corn's at V2, and we did handstand counts yesterday. So I wanted to share our trip to the field with you today, just to let you know at Pivot Bio we are constantly innovating, researching. We have mountains of research behind what we're doing, and all with one objective, and that's to improve nitrogen management and sustainability in grain crop production in the world. And it's an exciting thing to be a part of, and just wanted to give you a little insight to some of the day-to-day things we're doing in the field. Have a good day.